Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Welcome to another my YouTube video. Hope you all are doing great. Today I will show you how to make the gajar ka halwa in my mom's style. So let's kick start to make this delicious dessert which is most famous in Pakistan, India and subcontinent. Add 1 kg carrot and 1 liter milk. One cup sugar. Mix really well. Cook on low flame for 10 minutes. Then add 4 cardamom, 4 tablespoon fresh cream, add 4 tablespoon desi ghee and mix really well. Cook for 5 minutes until ghee is separated. Then add khoya and mix it well. Add some nuts for garnishing. And now gajar ka halwa is ready to eat. Hope you like my video. For more new cooking videos, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.